don't know how this is gonna fit into this vlog, but today is my baby girl, my only girl, 16th birthday. Happy birthday, Nala. I love you so much. You have grown me into a mother, to a woman that I am today. Love you, love you, love you, love you. So we are getting ready for her party tonight, her sweet 16. So I'm gonna do my hair real quick. I really didn't have a lot of time to like think of like what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna use my old little raggedy ponytail that I got from Amazon. Maybe spruce it up. And I'm gonna do like a ponytail. Yesterday we had a little mishap with her hair, so like that was more of the focus because it's not my day. It's her day. So we got her hair straight. That was the more important hairstyle that we need to worry about. So she's gonna have a ponytail too, but hers is gonna be a little bit better than mine. But I'm just gonna do something real fast to my hair. I'm just gonna put it up, and then later on when I get back from picking her up from school, I'm going to put the ponytail in. So right now I'm just gonna rock the bun. But I think I'm going to, for this hairstyle, I'm gonna put 2 braids right here just to give it some razzle dazzle, a little something something on the side for this party, so I can look the hostess with the mostest. Cause you know, if you've seen any other videos on my channel, I love hosting parties, planning things. But this time I actually put the planning in an event planner's hands because your girl has been stressed, life has been lifing, and I wanted her to have the best party, so I didn't want to stress about, you know, doing all the planning. I'm going to show you some little pictures of some of the mock-ups that I kind of sent the event planner of, like the vision that I'm looking for. I'm hoping, crossing fingers, I know she's not gonna let me down. So shout out to Miss Beverly at My Event Studio. If you live in Newport News, Virginia, definitely hit her up. She is an event planner, and she also has a venue spot that you can rent out, or she can do the event planning and you can rent the venue out. Have everything in her hands. She can take care of it. You just show up and have fun. So that's what I wanted to do this time. And as somebody that loves control, this was really hard for me, but I'm just gonna let it go. And someone with ADHD, I know we wouldn't have the party until next week with me trying to like decorate and do all that. So yeah, I just paid for an event planner just to have it easy sailing. So all we gotta do now is go grab cupcakes and then Nala. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw my hair up before the boys get back so I can get them dressed. I don't know if I had anything else to say. Like I said, I don't know where this is gonna end up in the vlog. Like the vision that I was looking for, or the vision that I was thinking of, because she loves red, I was thinking roses, so the theme is 16 roses. I'm hoping that when I don't know what it's gonna look like, so when I show you guys when I get there, that is what I'm seeing in real time with you guys. So I'm hoping that it's a really good surprise. Super excited. Let me just do this real fast so I can go get her before she start calling me. I'm gonna use my Fenty Edge Control, and then I'm gonna use the Fenty hair cream for just the braids. So I'm just going to part in the middle, well, part it halfway, just so that I can get the parts that I need for the side braids. Okay, so I parted halfway, but like I said, this middle part is going to be brushed into the ponytail. I'm just using it to guide myself. I think I'm gonna go like right here. As far as the braid, so I'm going to braid this side, put it in a ponytail, super easy. So I already braided this one, and now I'm just gonna do, and I left a little bit of edges out. And so now I'm just going to do the same on the other side and try to get it to be symmetric as close as I can. Also, even though I'm not doing anything to the middle part of it, still want to brush it out, put some moisturizer on it, or put some cream on it just so it's not totally dry. I don't know if I already showed you, but I'm using the Fenty Hair, the Home Curl Defining Cream. And then for my edges, you know I'm gonna be using my girl, the Fenty Hair, the Controlling Edge, my girl, the Fenty Hair, the Controlling Type. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the Controlling Type Edge Control Gel. Really crunching for time. So, I think that should be okay. I'm gonna leave this out and try to braid around it. I feel like you probably can't see me, but I already put it in a bun. Can you tell me why it's like literally arm workout when you're trying to put a tight bun up at the top of your hair? Ooh, but yeah, I put the edges. I did my edges, not put the edges. I did my edges. And so I'm just gonna put the ponytail on when I get back. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Looks pretty good. That just turned out really pretty. And yeah, so let's go get another. This is not a picture, it's a video. Get it? She's just a girl with red hair. Who's that girl with the red hair? Who's that girl with the red hair? Okay, so we have the pony on. Now, is she gonna stay on? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where I put. Like my brain is not working right now. I don't know where none of my.
Let me see.
I got some bobby pins.
Or.
Then it's supposed to got like a scrunchie under it.
Hold on.
What's that?
It's part of your ponytail. And then now.
It should be good.
Yeah, but I'm.
So much to do, so little time. As always, Courtney's never on time. Y'all, somebody tore my hair on. Alright, so forget this. Leave it right here. Where is my purse at? I ain't had no fun. Oh. Cause you've never did my makeup.
Yes, I have.
Oh yeah, for my birthday. Oh, so pretty.
Okay, face.
Okay.
Come on, face. Lip wise.
I guess to match the end. So you're not asleep right now, so you're okay. Boy, your hair is flipping.
Why did I already know that?
I don't know. I don't know what you were thinking about. I'm not in your head, homie. You'll be okay, okay? Oh, wow. I'm about to say some shit.
What you think? Hmm? It's what?
Good.
It look good? You sure? Don't be lying now.
Should I leave it matte or glossy?
Put some gloss on it. Yeah, I like that.
That's what I like with that one, because that was one of the expensive lip gloss. I like to use the little thing. My little butter gloss, I just be doing.
I like that.
Okay.
That's right. She party ready. You stupid. And
The whole time I was using my camera, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But luckily, people use my phone to capture moments on the phone. I was so happy that she was able to bring my vision to life. My daughter really loved it. We really had a good time.
I gotta get you too, she said.
No. I didn't sign no paperwork.
I can't get it to come out. Yeah. When I say that my hair, my makeup really, it looks so good. Thank you, Mackenzie. It looks so good. I don't want to take it off. Like, I want to just go. I just don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. Yes.